Welcome back. We are looking at another communicatie section, this time 2024 May paper from the IEB, and we're just going to run through that, some more practice on that section that you can really nail. These are my books. Please, if you don't mind, if you can go into the link of this description of this video and just post my Takealot link in your WhatsApp status. That'll really help me. You can also just share this video, for instance, and there's my email address. That's my number. If you would like to order books in bulk, you can contact me. More than welcome to. All right, let's get into it. So here we have the paper. Communicatie will always be question number 10. Okay, so it says, lees die inligting hieronder deur, read the information below, voer die instruksies wat by elke situasie gevra word uit, skryf elke keer die woorde neer wat die persoon sê of dink, elke respons moet 15 tot 20 woorde lang wees. Okay, there must be 15 to 20 words. There must be that. If it's 14, you must add a word. If it's 21, you must take away something. Okay, skryf elke keer die woordtelling neer. You must add the word count. It must be accurate. Okay, don't lie. En moenie die vetgedrukte woorde in jou respons herhaal nie. This is very important. Okay, and this is probably what makes this section so hard, is that you're not allowed to use the bold words like you see below here. Just make it a bit bigger. You're not allowed to use the bold words like senuweeagtig, opgewonde, spog, voel sleg, waarsku, rede. Okay. That is very important. It's very tempting to try and use them. If someone says to you, explain why, describe how nervous someone is, then you say, the person can say, I'm so nervous, but you're not allowed to do that. That's what makes this thing hard. Okay. So what is the situation here? We have a whole bunch of looks like marathon runners from the comrades. Okay. We have runner A, B, C, D, and E. Okay. Right. So number 1 says Katrien or Catherine. How do you say that? Katrien. Yeah. It's not Catherine. Katrien is senuweeagtig want sy het nog nooit aan die Comrades Marathon deelgeneem nie. Skryf neer wat sy dink en wat omtrent hierdie marathon haar senuweeagtig maak. Write down what she thinks and what makes her nervous. Okay, so when you're nervous, you are scared. So maybe use the word bang. You can use the word bang, and it must be her direct words. Okay, you don't have to use quotation marks like for directe rede. You don't have to. And you can also write 2 sentences. Then they give you 1 mark for content and 1 mark for language. Okay, language, they mark in little half marks. So if you make 2 grammar or language mistakes, then you've lost that mark. But if the content is right, you still get 1 mark. Okay, so you can do very well here. The trick is to keep it very, very simple. This is not creative writing. Don't try and make her say creative, funny things. This is not the place for that. You can do that when you write your essays and stuff, okay? All right, so let's see what... I've got the IEB's official memo below here. There they just say, again, taal is 1 mark, a note is another mark, content, language. Half per language mistake, half if the emotion is not expressed correctly, and another half if the the content is completely, if you missed it. Okay. So what do they have here? They have, sjoe, waarvoor het ek myself ingelaat? Oef. Okay, ek is so bang. Okay, there they used it. Ek is bang dat ek nie fiks genoeg is nie. So, what does she say? What does she say there? She said, waarvoor het ek myself ingelaat? Now, as a second language speaker, you're not going to know that. Okay, that's just a suggestion. You could maybe just say, ek is baie bang vir hierdie marathon. And then the reason they want, skryf neer wat jy dink en waarom sy senuweeagtig is. Why is she nervous? She might be nervous because she's not fix. Sy's nie fix genoeg nie. She's not fit enough. Die pad is baie lank, die wedloop is baie ver en ek gaan moeg word. Anything like that. Okay, just with the vocab that you have in your head, you can explain that. Okay, so Gerda. Now I wonder if this is the Gerda that won she won the Comrades. I can't see. Does look like her. Maybe she was the winner. Anyway, let's see. Gerda is opgewonde. Okay, so now if you don't know what opgewonde means, you're going to be in trouble. Okay, if you don't know what senuweeagtig means, you're in trouble. Okay, so you do require some kind of vocab to understand these things. Okay, in my purple book, there's a list of vocab. Is it in the purple book? No, it's in one of the other books. There's a list of most important words that you must learn. Lists and lists of them. It's like 500 words that you must absolutely know if you want to cope in a second language. Okay, so it says baie opgewonde oor die marathon en ek kan nie wag om te begin nie. She can't wait to start. Skryf neer wat sy dink en noem ook waarom sy opgewonde is. So she must say something that expresses that she's excited and then also say why she's excited. So 2 sentences. Okay, so she can't say, I'm so excited, I can't wait to, you can't use the word opgewonde. Okay, careful. Okay, so what did they say here? Ek kan nie wag om te begin nie. Okay, I can't wait to start. That's very simple. Hierdie jaar gaan ek probeer om in die top 10 te eindig. That's why she's excited. This year I want to come in the top 10. Okay. Simple. Get in, get out. You don't want to waste time on this section. And you just want to be really, really safe. Okay. 10.3. Ernst or Ernest, probably Ernest, is there. Okay, this guy, big guy here, is a top athlete. Okay, top athlete, I'm sure you would get that. Wat spog dat hy baie goed gaan doen in hierdie marathon. Now, if you didn't know what spog means, you can guess it, okay? Look here. So he's a top athlete that does something that he's going to do very well in the marathon. So he's saying something about how well he's going to do. Okay, so even if you didn't know spog, you could still get, if you get lucky, you can get some marks here. Okay, wat sê hy vir almal wat daar staan is die rede dat hy goed gaan vaar. What does he say to the people is the reason that he's going to go run so well? Okay, hy spog. Okay, so what was that? Vanjaar gaan ek wen. This year I'm going to win. Why? He gave a reason, want. You didn't have to use want, you could just use another sentence. Ek het baie hard geoefen en die regte dieet gevolg. You can just say, ja, ek het baie hard geoefen en ek glo in myself. Any reason there, okay? There's 1,000,001 correct answers here. Just keep it basic, keep your sentence structure clean, and don't try and be creative. Okay. 10.4. Sia, die daar, voel sleg dat hy aan die marathon deelneem, want sy vrou is baie siek. Oopsie. So he feels bad that he's participating in the marathon because his wife is very sick. Wat sê hy vir die mense om hom is die rede waarom hy nog steeds gaan deelneem? Okay, so what is the reason that he's still participating in it? Okay, he gives the reason to the people. Okay, so he feels bad. Okay, so how would you express feeling bad? You can say, my poor wife is at home and sick. I wish I could look after her, but I can win and I need the prize money. My family needs the prize money or something like that. I don't know. Let's see what the IAB said. My vrou is baie siek, maar sy het my gedwing. Okay, that's a big word. Don't know how many of us would know this. Gedwing. Sy het my forceer, sy het my gesmeek, sy het my gevra om deel te neem. So the wife said, no, you practice so hard for this, don't worry about me, I'll take some meds and lie in bed and watch you run on TV, something like that. Okay, so yes, and the answers here, they use big words, but you don't have to. You really don't have to. You can get by with what you have. Okay. If you're an A candidate, if you're an A candidate, you've got to get 10 marks here. Okay, you don't want to drop marks here because you're going to lose marks in the comprehension sections, right? The poetry, 1 or 2 questions will trip you. The one-word answers, the woordstructure, you might drop 1 or 2 marks there. You see, but this is not a place where you have to lose marks at all. Okay. We'll talk more about that in other videos. All right, number 5. Okay, Jenna. There's Jenna in the corner. Jenna, sien daar is iets fout met Sia se skoen. Oh, she's looking down at his shoe. Check there. That's clever. Okay, so sy sê daar's iets fout met sy skoen en sy wil hom waarsku and she wants to warn him. Okay, now if you didn't know waarsku, so she sees there's something wrong with his shoe and she wants to something him, tell him, warn him. Okay, so you can still guess it. Wat sê sy vir Sia is die probleem met sy skoene? What does she tell him is the problem with his shoes? Alright, so Sia, what does she do? It's fout, daar's iets. So I see daar is a probleem met jou skoen. There's a problem with your shoe. And now she wants to tell him. So I'm guessing most of us would want to say your laces are untied. But now how many of us will know that laces, shoelaces, are skoenveters? Not many, not many. So get around that. So here, perhaps you do have to be a bit creative. So you can maybe see your skoen is stukkend, broken. Jou skoen is geskeur. Jou skoen is sool kom af. The bottom is coming off. Just find vocab in your head to describe that something is wrong with the shoe. It doesn't have to be the laces. Okay. What did they say? Yeah, you see, they went for that. Pas op, jou een skoenveter is los. Okay, now, skoenveter, I mean, how many of us would know that vocab? Jy moet dit gou vasmaak, tie it up. Jou skoene is gebreek, kyk, trek gou ander skoene aan. Maybe change your shoes quickly. So there are many right answers. Don't feel stuck. And if you don't know the obvious answer, find a way to describe that there's something wrong with the shoe and some kind of warning. Okay, that's what this section is all about. And remember, it's always the direct words. Okay. All right, thank you for that. Please like and share the video. It really helps me. You don't even understand how much it helps. I appreciate it, and we'll keep going with our little mini lesson thingies. Okay, chat soon in the next video.